put me on the spot. Thanks a lot.
All right, guys and gals, Saltwater Nation, this is Greg, saltwateraquarium.com. Reef-A-Palooza 2017, Orlando, Florida. Woo-woo. We're here at Hanna Instruments. Kevin's going to run us through some of the products. You're going to know them. We sell them every day to you guys and gals. Kevin, take it away, brother.
All right, guys. Well, thank you so much. It's Kevin from Hanna Instruments. As you know, we're pretty popular for our handheld checker line of products. They're handheld accelerometers. So as many of you know, they use light to measure absorbance of a specific chemical. Each one has a different parameter per test. So the main ones we have for saltwater are calcium, alkalinity, phosphates, phosphorus, and nitrite. They have a couple differences. For alkalinity, we have two of them. We have one for DKH and one for parts per million. Right? For phosphates, we have both a phosphorus checker and a phosphate checker. The phosphorus checker measures the parts per million phosphorus, while a phosphate checker measures the parts per million phosphate. The phosphorus checker tends to be a little bit better for your low nutrient systems, your SPS, your acros, your montes, while the phosphate checker tends to read directly in parts per million phosphate, and it's better for higher nutrient systems, soft corals, fish-only systems, that kind of stuff. Big thing I want to highlight is we updated our new calcium checker, so it comes with a mechanical pipette now. So in the past, you had to use a 1 ml syringe to add 0.1 mils of sample, and now what you're using is a 100 microliter mechanical pipette to introduce the sample to the cuvette at C2 stage. So that has greatly improved the accuracy of the test. And if you need to, you can purchase the pipette separately at a rate that's pretty reasonable. In terms of the other checkers, we have our nitrite checker, which measures in parts per billion nitrite, which is going to be right over here. A lot of test kits on the market for nitrite don't measure in parts per billion, but this guy will measure, as low as 1 part per billion nitrite, which is a real nice feature. Going forward, we also have a really great seawater refractometer. This is a digital salinity tester that also compensates for temperature. So let's say you were heating up your salt water, you were trying to get a good reading, but a lot of those optical refractometers you're using are only calibrated to a certain temperature setting, usually 77 degrees. This guy will measure salinity in either parts per thousand, specific gravity, or practical salinity units, and also compensate for your temperature differences. Also with these, you never have to calibrate them with a solution. You're just using RODI and hitting the 0 button, and that's your calibration standard, which is a really great unit, and they come with a 2-year warranty from us as well, which is a nice feature. Going forward, we have this new line of waterproof testers. This is our new FEP and our new disc. These are both fully waterproof, and they also are temperature compensated and both measure temperature. This one measures temperature and TDS. So this would be great for your RODI systems. This would be great for any freshwater hobbyist who want to measure a general understanding of hardness. Another cool feature about these units, if you pull off the cap, right, the cap is going to be a way to remove the battery cover, which is just a little knob right there that's built into the back, and it's a tool to unscrew the battery cover, which has an O-ring in there to prevent water getting in the battery compartment. And then we have our new FEP here, which is really reasonably priced, about $40. We do everything on a minimum advertised price system, so all our products are going to be the same throughout the industry. And this guy's going to be about $39.50 MAP, and it measures both pH and temperature. Here you got your glass sensing bulb right there. That's going to be your pH electrode. You got your metal temperature probe there, and this is your reference junction. It has an extendable cloth reference junction, so anytime you're getting stability issues with your reading, you can just take a pair of tweezers and pull that out a little bit, and that's going to help get a more stable pH reading. That's pretty much the main ones. We actually recently updated our new HI 98103. This is actually the world's most popular pH meter. Early last year we updated it so it has a 0.1 resolution now, and this one comes at a great price point, about $29.50, and you get your calibration solution, you get some cleaning solution, all included in that price. And one of the good features about this one is after the electrode starts to wear down over time, you can simply just unscrew it and buy a replacement, and it's a simple way of just getting not having to buy a whole new meter, but just getting a replacement electrode. These sell for about $12 replacing, so you don't have to spend any extra money. Great handheld unit, great way to get into the electronic pH testing, and probably one of our most popular units sold. So thank you so much.
Thinking about the calcium.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Kevin, Hanna Instruments, Reef-A-Palooza, Orlando.
Awesome. Thank you.
Checker, though.